Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're inside Squarespace and this tutorial will teach you how to add a button to this top navigation. So by top navigation or header navigation, this is what I mean. Here we've got the main menu aspects and then we've just got a logo at the moment. What I've done is I've gone into Squarespace and chosen one of their templates to demonstrate with. So that you can do the same. This is not a tutorial for how to style the buttons, but you will find the link to that below in the description. Check that out for, like styling your buttons the way you want them to across your website. Okay, right, let's get started. Oh, itchy eye. Okay, so what we want to do first is go to the middle of the screen. Actually, sorry. Press the edit button first. You're not going to be able to edit anything until you do that. It might take a second to load up, don't worry about it, sometimes Squarespace has a lag. But here we can see all sorts of popping up now for editing. So we need to edit site header, so if you press that, and if I just move my Loom instructions, there we go, just move it there. Now we need to press add elements. So press add elements and then you can see the options here now. My belief is that you keep your header as decluttered as possible. So I'm not going to add social links or anything else because what I want people to do is land on the button and do the next step. So say for example, a bit of context here, if you're a dog trainer and your main goal is to get dog guardians to book in a free call with you, then this button would serve as that function. So all we do is toggle it on, and as you can see, we've got that button now there ready to go. Now, it's just worth noting that you can actually change some aspects of the button without having to go too deep into design work. So if you wanted to keep with the template that you've already bought, that's fine. But here we can actually edit the text. I think book a call is pretty good there for a dog trainer. Now, if we click attach link, this gives us an option. So here on the drop down, you've got all the things that, all the pages within Squarespace. So if you prefer them to go into your contact page first, and there's a link there, fair enough. What I would suggest is it goes straight to a scheduler. So like say if you've got Calendly and that's how you book calls, make it so there's the least amount of steps possible. So the next link, I would say, and this is just a suggestion, should either be like a contact page where they can email you, but the best way, in my opinion, is to get them, if you've wanted them to book a call, go straight to your Calendly page and book that in, because then they go through your automation if you've set it up. I've got training for that in the description, have a look below. They go through your automation, they get reminders, they turn up on the day excited, and it's been so easy to do that through your website. Okay? Alright, so if you wanted to paste an outside link there, all you do is just grab the link from Calendly or Acuity or whatever you use and then paste it in, and then it will just register in here. Okay, and that's about it really. That's the design, but I do go into that in a different tutorial, so just check that out below. Click on that, just make sure you press save. The other thing to note as well, you can see here that there's a duplicate that says scheduling, which I always double check this navigation that we haven't got anything on there. If you wanted to take this scheduling part off that navigation there, you would drag it down to not linked. And then Squarespace should populate. Let's just go to the home page just for good practice. And that's all we've got now. 2 things and then book a call. So at that point there, I know that that's ready, and that's how to add a button to your header and then check that everything's in order afterwards.